live at the command center of the JW Solar USA. This is what I've done with the RELiON battery, the RB10-PC. Here we go. I've created a 24 volt package here, which, if you can see according to the configuration, I put two strings in parallel and two in series. So here's the specs on the screen. Lithium iron phosphate, 12.8, 10 amps. So we parallel these guys. See the BMS is right here, the center taps. That's where the BMS is, and this one's just, you can pull about 10 amps into this or charge, but you can pull about 50 amps on the sides. This is tied directly to the battery. This one is the BMS. So I parallel the BMS because got them the last time charge, and I have to keep them parallel so that it all balance. This was like a little voltage discrepancy, 0.2 millivolt, and I try to use all the ones with a little bit 2 point something something volts off, and to match the capacity. So let me set this one right there. I got this one here and there and there. See, it's 13.92. So if I come back here and there, yeah, 13.97, 13.93. So 73 is about 4 millivolt difference, and I will continue to use some wires here and link them. The positive coming to the positive, the negative, or I can take the negative from the back here, go to the other side right there, and get them all configured. Or after we already set up this way, this one's gonna go to the buses, like a bus bar. This is where we're gonna be charging, or this is where we're gonna be discharging. It depends what I want to do. So this battery you can able to discharge in different ways. Here you can pull more power. So I wired 24 volts, positive, negative to positive all the way. Then I can keep it all the way this other side. So here negative, here is positive. That gives us the 12 volts configuration right here. So let's see how everything's gonna work, if I can able to hold it better. $27.91, 27.91. So I can able to charge it. This is a 24 volt module, but what I've done in the 24 volt module, but here is a 12 volt, the center is a 12 volt, till I tie these guys into this, make the BMS to become a 24 volt. This is 12. I can charge this back individually. I can charge this string individually, 12 volt. Then I can able to charge from here the negative and the positive across here for the 24 volt configuration. Okay, you don't want to pull from here to here, so you're draining two batteries. So if I decided to do this way, I have to even link these guys here, negative to negative, negative to negative, positive to positive, positive to positive. that makes the complete loop. Okay, then we can just pull from one side to here or one side to here. Okay, so this is how we're going to be closing the loop. When we connect these guys here, negative to negative, interconnect everything, interconnect, and that close the loop. So now it's going to be 4 batteries in parallel, 4 in parallel, and series. So series is in the tab. So right here gives us the link. Is the interconnect right here, the middle. So we can able to charge this the way it is. That's 12 volts from using this center tap, using the negative here and the positive on the other side, negatives here. We can do that right now. We just tap these. These are just the positive negative poles, so it's not giving any 24. I can get a 12 volts from the center tap all the way, and 24 volts going across. So if I want to use a bus bar, instead of this, I can just set a 1 bus bar on the left side and on the right side, and bus bar on the left side. So all these ones go wires tap instead of looping them. So you can charge the battery equally, because when you use bus bars, that will make your batteries really balance. Okay, so that would be cool. I can able to do that, incorporate all the left bus bars here and the right bars here, then like the EG4 rack, something like that. So you know, you have already the bus bars on the sides. Well, I can able to do that either or. Instead of looping it, you're probably gonna build a resistance while doing this, but interconnect. But if you go to bus bar direct, and one wire coming from the other side and the other on the other side, so give you a proper look, a better view. So this is the monster we have already created here. Our DIY project, live at JW Solar USA Command Center in Minnesota. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Bye for now.